Are you looking for ways to spice up your health routine? Try cloves and ginger. This video will show why these two spices are more than just flavorful additions to your favorite dishes. We'll show you how these two powerful spices can do wonders for your body, from reducing inflammation to giving your immune system a boost and more. So if you want to learn how these natural ingredients can help improve your well-being, don't miss this video. Cloves and ginger are two common ingredients used in many recipes worldwide. Both have potent flavors that give dishes a unique depth of taste. These spices have been used for centuries as part of traditional medicine, particularly in India and China. Cloves are small, dark brown, dried buds with a nail-like shape. They have a strong aroma and sweet yet pungent flavor. Ginger is also a popular spice that features an earthy yellow color with a rough skin texture and has an aromatic scent and a slightly spicy flavor. Both spices come in fresh, dried, ground, or powdered form. Cloves are derived from a tropical evergreen tree, while ginger is the root of an herbaceous flowering plant native to Southeast Asia. Their distinct flavor comes from naturally occurring compounds known as phytochemicals, which are linked with many antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties beneficial for health. Cloves have a long history as a medicinal herb and have been used for thousands of years to treat ailments such as inflammation, diarrhea, toothaches, and more. On the other hand, ginger is high in vitamins C and B6, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, all nutrients essential for good health. Here are the best health benefits of cloves and ginger. 1. Supports weight loss. The health benefits of cloves and ginger are well known, but did you know they can also help you with weight loss? Cloves and ginger contain components that help support a healthy metabolism and reduce belly fat. Cloves contain eugenol, an oil that can aid digestion, breaking down food more quickly and efficiently. Ginger contains phenolic compounds, which have been found to boost the metabolic rate, aiding weight loss as well as helping to reduce inflammation in the body. It also contains antioxidants that help promote overall health by fighting off toxins from our environment. These spices are full of nutrients that contribute to overall well-being and make them great additions to any diet looking for assistance in weight loss management. 2. Aids in digestion and reduce digestive disorder. Cloves and ginger are two of the most popular spices used in numerous cuisines worldwide. For centuries, these herbs have been used for their health benefits, particularly when it comes to aiding digestion and preventing digestive disorders. Clove oil is known to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce stomach cramps, bloating, and other digestive issues. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols which can stimulate the gastrointestinal tract muscles, helping food move more quickly through your system and reducing nausea. Both cloves and ginger also contain antioxidants that support healthy digestion by fighting inflammation caused by free radicals. In addition, cloves are a rich source of vitamins C and K and minerals like potassium, magnesium, iron, and sodium, playing an important role in maintaining a healthy gut flora balance. 3. Provides relief from cold, cough, and sore throat. The medicinal properties of cloves and ginger can alleviate the discomfort associated with common respiratory ailments. Phlegm and mucus are common side effects of a cough, flu, or sore throat in the lungs. These spices can help ease these symptoms through their natural anti-inflammatory properties. Whether you have a minor case of bronchitis or chronic sinusitis, this spice combination can offer relief from the formation of phlegm in the throat and chest. Cloves contain eugenol, which helps reduce inflammation and alleviate pain associated with coughing. Besides, the antioxidant in ginger helps reduce inflammation associated with colds and coughs. Ginger has long been used as an ingredient in traditional Asian medicine and Ayurveda due to its warming properties that aid in easing nasal congestion, a common symptom of colds and flu. Its warm nature can be soothing for individuals who experience chest congestion due to coughing or other respiratory issues. It helps loosen mucus and has antibacterial properties that may help fight off infection. You can use these spices in teas or as capsules to help relieve a sore throat. 4. Boosts the immune system. Cloves and ginger are two powerful ingredients that can strengthen antibodies in your immune system. Cloves contain antioxidants, such as eugenol, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can fight potential illnesses or infections. Ginger is a natural pain reliever, and its antioxidant properties can help protect cells from damage due to free radicals. Furthermore, it has antimicrobial properties that can help ward off bacteria and viruses in the body. Both of these spices are beneficial for maintaining a healthy immune system and reducing one's risk of developing severe illnesses in the future. In addition to their antioxidant powers, cloves also contain vitamins, minerals, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids that further contribute to overall health by keeping the body functioning optimally on all levels. Furthermore, cloves contain antioxidants that can help strengthen immunity against chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease. 5. Improves fertility in women. Cloves and ginger are two powerful superfoods used for centuries to improve women's fertility. These spices are beneficial in helping women conceive because it increases the chances of a successful pregnancy. In recent years, many studies have demonstrated the potent health benefits of both cloves and ginger for female reproductive health. Women trying to get pregnant may find these spices beneficial for several reasons. Clove is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, and inflammation can be one of the leading causes of infertility. Its high antioxidant content from eugenol will help reduce oxidative stress in the uterus, which can affect the reproductive system. Studies have shown that cloves can help balance hormones, which are critical for overall reproductive health. Ginger has also been linked to improved fertility due to its ability to regulate hormonal imbalances, improve circulation, and increase uterine blood flow, all essential for successful conception. 6. Relieve stress and anxiety. Cloves and ginger are two natural ingredients known for their therapeutic health benefits. They are effective in reducing stress and anxiety levels. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve pain and other symptoms associated with stress and anxiety. On the other hand, ginger has been studied for its effects on the brain and nervous system. It is particularly effective in controlling symptoms of depression, stress, and anxiety. Studies have also shown that consuming cloves and ginger can reduce cortisol levels, a hormone released during stress, by as much as 25%. This stress reduction helps create a calming effect on the body, allowing us to combat fear and worry while promoting better sleep quality. 7. Improves skin and hair condition. Do you know that cloves and ginger can enhance your skin tone and hair richness? Not only do they help to improve overall well-being, but they also help to improve skin and hair conditions. These spices feature nutritional components that are essential for maintaining optimal physical health. Cloves are packed with vitamins and minerals such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, manganese, and zinc, which play a critical role in improving skin and hair qualities. Ginger contains elements such as antioxidants, which create a protective barrier against free radicals, thus helping to protect the skin from aging or damage caused by environmental factors like UV rays or pollution. Furthermore, both cloves and ginger fight inflammation, which helps reduce scalp irritation or dandruff while promoting the healthy growth of hair follicles. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 11 surprising benefits of cloves to supercharge your health. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.